Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we're diving deep into the world of OSINT open source intelligence with the top 10 tools you need to know in Kali Linux for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting to explore the vast landscape of information gathering, these tools are essential for your toolkit. We're talking about uncovering hidden connections, mapping out digital footprints, and really understanding the vast amount of information that's publicly available online. So, buckle up because we're about to explore the fascinating world of OSINT and how these powerful tools can elevate your cybersecurity game. Let's get started. First up, we have Maltego. And let me tell you, this tool is a game changer in the world of OSINT investigations. Imagine a digital detective board where you can connect the dots between people, companies, websites, and even online documents. It's like having a bird's eye view of the entire digital landscape. That's Maltego in a nutshell, a powerful tool that simplifies complex investigations. It pulls information from various sources, both public and commercial, and presents it in a visually intuitive way. You don't have to be a tech wizard to use it effectively. You can see relationships, hierarchies, and connections that would otherwise remain hidden. It's like shining a light into the dark corners of the internet. Trust me, once you start using Maltego, you'll wonder how you ever conducted OSINT investigations without it. It's that powerful and indispensable. Whether you're tracking down a cyber criminal, researching a company, or just curious about someone's online presence, Maltego gives you the power to uncover the truth. It's versatile and adaptable to various investigative needs. It's like having a superpower for information gathering. With Maltego, the possibilities are endless, and the insights you gain are invaluable. Next, we have the Harvester, a tool that's all about reconnaissance. Specifically, gathering information related to email addresses, subdomains, and IP addresses. Think of it as your go-to tool for quickly scoping out a target. You input a domain name, and the Harvester scours various public sources like search engines, social media platforms, and even Shodan, which we'll get to later, to find any associated email addresses, subdomains, and IP addresses. This information is crucial for building a comprehensive profile of your target and identifying potential vulnerabilities. It's fast, efficient, and a must-have in your OSINT arsenal. Now let's talk about Shodan, often referred to as the scariest search engine on the internet. This unique tool has gained notoriety for its ability to uncover devices connected to the internet that most people don't even realize are there. But don't worry, it's only scary in the wrong hands. When used responsibly, Shodan can be a powerful ally in the fight against cyber threats. Shodan is essentially a search engine for the Internet of Things, IoT. It scans and indexes devices connected to the internet, providing a comprehensive view of the digital landscape. Instead of indexing websites, Shodan indexes devices, everything from webcams and routers to industrial control systems and traffic lights. This means it can find devices that are often overlooked by traditional search engines. It gives you a glimpse into the often overlooked world of connected devices, revealing what's out there, what information they're exposing, and potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited. This insight is crucial for understanding the security landscape. For security researchers and ethical hackers, Shodan is an invaluable tool for understanding the attack surface of IoT devices and identifying potential risks. It helps them to proactively secure networks and protect against potential cyber attacks. Chapter 4, recon-ng, your customizable web recon framework. Moving on, we have recon-ng, a web reconnaissance framework that's all about flexibility and customization. This tool is designed to make your web reconnaissance tasks more efficient and effective. Built on a modular architecture, recon-ng allows you to tailor your reconnaissance efforts to your specific needs. Each module can be configured and run independently, giving you complete control over your recon process. It comes with a wide range of modules for everything from DNS enumeration and port scanning to web scraping and social media analysis. These modules are designed to cover all aspects of web reconnaissance. You can even write your own modules to extend its functionality. This means you can adapt recon-ng to fit any specific requirements you might have. This modularity makes recon-ng incredibly powerful and adaptable to a wide range of OSINT tasks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you'll find it useful. Whether you're conducting a penetration test, researching a company, or gathering intelligence for a project, or just exploring the web for fun, recon-ng has you covered. Recon-ng gives you the tools to gather the information you need, efficiently and effectively, making it an indispensable tool in your web reconnaissance toolkit. Chapter 5. Spiderfoot. Automating your OSINT workflow. Next up is Spiderfoot, an automation powerhouse in the world of OSINT. Spiderfoot takes the manual labor out of information gathering by automating the process of collecting intelligence about IP addresses, domain names, email addresses, and more. You simply provide a target, and Spiderfoot goes to work, scouring over 100 public sources to build a comprehensive profile. It then presents the information in an easy-to-understand format, highlighting connections and potential leads. For busy security professionals and researchers, Spiderfoot is a time saver, allowing you to focus on analysis rather than manual data collection. Chapter 6. Senses. Diving deeper into device fingerprinting. Similar to Shodan, Sensis is another search engine for internet-connected devices. However, Sensis takes things a step further by providing even more detailed information about the devices it discovers. It uses a technique called fingerprinting to identify the operating system, software versions, and even the network configuration of devices. This level of detail is incredibly valuable for security researchers and ethical hackers looking to understand the attack surface of a particular device or network. Sensis also offers historical data, allowing you to see how devices and networks have changed over time. Chapter 7. FOCA. Uncovering hidden data in documents. Now, let's shift gears and talk about FOCA, a tool that specializes in finding metadata and hidden information in documents. Metadata is essentially data about data, and it's often overlooked, but it can reveal a wealth of information about a document's creation, author, and even the computer it was created on. FOCA automates the process of extracting metadata from documents, making it easy to find sensitive information that might otherwise go unnoticed. This is particularly useful for investigations involving leaked documents, corporate espionage, or even just trying to verify the authenticity of a document. Chapter 8. Metagoofil Public Document Metadata Mining. Similar to FOCA, Metagoofil focuses on extracting metadata from public documents, but with a specific focus on documents found on websites. It crawls through a website and downloads all the documents it can find, then extracts metadata such as usernames, software versions, and even server paths. This information can be incredibly valuable for building a profile of a target organization, identifying potential vulnerabilities, and even uncovering sensitive information that might have been accidentally leaked. Metagoofil is a powerful tool for anyone looking to gain insights from publicly available documents. Chapter 9. OSINT Framework, your one-stop shop for OSINT resources. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of tools to keep track of. And you're right, that's where the OSINT framework comes in. It's not a tool itself, but rather a curated collection of various OSINT tools and resources, all organized by category and purpose. Think of it as your one-stop shop for anything and everything OSINT related. Whether you're looking for a specific tool, a tutorial, or just some inspiration for your next investigation, the OSINT framework has you covered. It's an invaluable resource for both beginners and experienced OSINT practitioners. Chapter 10. Google Dorking, Mastering Advanced Search Techniques. Finally, let's talk about Google Dorking, a technique that leverages the power of Google's search engine to uncover information that's not readily accessible through regular searches. By using specific search operators and keywords, you can refine your searches to target specific file types, websites, or even data stored within websites. For example, you can use Google Dorking to find sensitive documents like spreadsheets or presentations that have been accidentally indexed by Google. It's a powerful technique that requires some creativity and knowledge of Google's search operators, but it can yield incredible results. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 OSINT tools in Kali Linux for hackers in 2024. Remember, these tools are incredibly powerful and can be used for both good and bad. It's our responsibility to use them ethically and responsibly. Always respect privacy, obtain proper authorization when necessary, and use your knowledge for good. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and tutorials. Stay curious, stay informed, and happy hacking.